Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Wednesday, November 17, 2021. It is 3:35 and 10 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, coffee and tea. So let's hop to it here. Coffee and tea drinking may be associated with reduced rates of stroke and dementia. Intake of 4 to 6 total cups daily was associated with lowest risk. Date November 16, 2021. Source, PLOS. And strokes are life-threatening events, which cause 10% of deaths globally. Dementia is a general term for symptoms related to decline in brain function. It is a global health concern with a high economic and social burden. Post-stroke dementia is a condition where symptoms of dementia occur after a stroke. At the outset, participants self-reported their coffee and tea intake. Over the study period, 5,079 participants developed dementia, and 10,053 experienced at least one stroke. People who drank 2 to 3 cups of coffee or 3 to 5 cups of tea per day, or a combination of 4 to 6 cups of coffee and tea, had the lowest incidence of stroke or dementia. Individuals who drank 2 to 3 cups of coffee and 2 to 3 cups of tea daily had a 32% lower risk of stroke compared with those who drank neither coffee or tea. Intake of coffee alone or in combination with tea was also associated with lower risk of post-stroke dementia. The UK Biobank reflects a relatively healthy sample relative to the general population, which can restrict the ability to generalize these associations. Also, relatively few people develop dementia or stroke, which can make it difficult to extrapolate rates accurately to larger populations. Finally, while it is possible that coffee and tea consumption might be protective against stroke, dementia and post-stroke dementia, this causality cannot be inferred from the associations. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.